In 2024, the Perseverance rover on Mars stumbled upon something that might look like an ordinary rock to the human eye, but NASA says it may be hiding signs of microbial life. This very well could be the clearest evidence of ancient microbial life on Mars, and if confirmed, it will finally answer if the Earth is or has been the only life planet we know. Talking about the discovery, NASA's acting administrator Sean Duffy said,
A year ago, we thought we found what we believe to be signs of microbial life on the Mars surface. And so we put it out to our scientific friends to pressure test it, to analyze it, and go, did we get this right? Do we think this is signs of ancient life on Mars? And after a year of review, they've come back and they said, listen, we can't find another explanation. So this very well could be the clearest sign of life that we've ever found on Mars.
Now, the discovery is about leopard spots like feature that was found on a rock in a 400-meter wide ancient river valley named Neretva Vallis in the Jezero crater. The Jezero crater is where Perseverance landed in 2021 and has been exploring ever since. This rock has been named Chiava Falls and it was collected and sealed by the rover from a region named Bright Angel in that river valley. The Perseverance rover has a robotic arm with a drill attached to it which samples rocks and it then gets examined using advanced instruments on board the rover. In this river valley, NASA chose Bright Angel for exploration because it has rocks composed of clay and silt, both preservers of past microbial life as seen on Earth. These rocks are also rich in organic carbon, sulfur, oxidized iron, which you also know as rust, and phosphorus. Now, what do these leopard spots represent? Well, scientists who have published their findings in the journal Nature say that these spots are actually distinct pattern of minerals, specifically two iron-rich minerals named vivianite and greigite. These minerals could be sign of chemical reactions which suggest that the microbes were using organic carbon, sulfur and phosphorus in the rock as an energy source. And since the minerals are not evenly distributed across the rocks, their concentration in specified zones suggests that these might be biosignatures. But before getting too excited, the researchers at work were aware that these minerals can be produced abiotically, meaning without the presence of life. And they considered possible scenarios in which these minerals may have been formed, such as high temperatures, acidic conditions, and binding with organic compounds. And the reason why this discovery is so exciting because the researchers have found no evidence that the rock was formed under high temperature or acidic conditions. This means after a year-long research, scientists have no explanation that is consistent with the spots not being biosignatures, but more definitive evidence is needed to prove that they are biosignatures. This also means that there might be evidence of past life in older rocks on Mars, but they are just hard to find. Another exciting aspect is the age of this rock in question. The Bright Angel region has some of the youngest sedimentary rocks, which means if the leopard spots are indeed made by microbial life, it would prove that Mars was habitable for a longer period than previously thought. But there's still a lot of work to be done. NASA uses a 7-step scale to prove whether something can be called extraterrestrial life, and the discovery of these spots are said to be only the first of these 7 steps. Over the coming weeks and months, NASA will continue to analyze these rocks to answer that one ultimate question: are we alone in this universe?